In this video, we'll be going over some of the useful features of the snipping tool in Windows 11. There's two ways that you can access the snipping tool, either through the Windows search bar, or you can use the keyboard shortcut pressing the Windows key plus Shift plus S. I will use the keyboard shortcut here and press those three buttons at the same time. That will show the crosshairs. And if I were to click on this drop-down menu, I can choose how I'd like to take the screenshot, either through a rectangle, an application window, the entire screen, or in a free-form manner. I typically stick to using the rectangle. So I will click when I'm ready and then drag it to highlight the rectangle that I'd like to take the screenshot of. Then on the right-hand side, a screen like this will populate. If you click on it, it will take you to this editing screen. Here are some of my favorite features. If you click on these three dots, you can go down and press Show Ruler. This is particularly handy if you'd like to highlight something and in a straight line. So I'm on the highlighter. I will decrease the thickness a little bit, and then I can start to highlight in a straight line. Suppose I'm particularly impressed by Isaac's English 2 grade, and that is why I highlighted that. If you hover over the ruler using your mouse wheel, you can also change the angle in which the ruler is displaying to help you draw straight lines and highlight things in an organized fashion. Going up to these three dots, I can go back and hide the ruler. Another cool feature is if I click on this text actions icon, it will highlight all of the text. And suppose there is some proprietary or confidential information in the thing that you are screenshotting. If you go to Quick Redact, you can click on this, and this will find and redact email addresses and phone numbers, and you can check or uncheck these. Once you're ready, if you click on Quick Redact, notice that it will redact the email addresses and phone numbers in the screenshot. However, suppose there's other information you would like to redact. You can just highlight it with your mouse, right-click, and then select the option that says Redact Text, and that will do the same thing there. When you're happy with your screenshot, you can click this icon to save it, or you can also copy it. However, there's a good chance that your computer is automatically saving all of your screenshots. If you click on these three dots and go to Settings, my option to automatically save original screenshots is checked on, and you can see the file pathway to where it's being saved. You can change this. You can also click Open Folder, and that will open the folder where all of your previous screenshots are being saved. Now, what's nice about this being automatically saved is the naming convention for a screenshot. The automatic naming convention is the word screenshot. It will then show the year, the month, the day, and the time that the screenshot was taken. So going through older screenshots, you'll know by the name of the file when it was taken. I'm happy with this particular screenshot, so I'm going to go up here and press the copy icon, or I could press Control-C on my keyboard, and then either in a Word document or an email, anywhere you see fit, you can go ahead and paste that screenshot, and notice that it includes the highlighted portion as well as the redacted portions. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.